Hi there, my name is Dylan Hanchek and I'm with the Terex Technical Support Team. Today we're going to talk about Tech Tip 117, determining the software version installed on the switch panel. Here at Terex Utilities we continue to improve and evolve our software. With this tech tip you will be able to determine whether your software is available for an update. When determining the software version installed on the switch panel, a few small steps are needed to be taken. First, depress the Home button located in the middle of the screen. You will then depress the Settings button located on the lower right-hand side. Once in the Settings page, you will need to use the up and down arrows to locate and highlight the Model Code page. Once highlighted, depress the Select button. You will now see the unit's model code located on the lower left-hand side of the screen, the V number. That will be the number that is needed to be given to a Terex Technical Support Team representative when asked. This number will then be determined by the representative if an update is available for your unit. Thank you for tuning in today and watching Terex Tech Tip 117 on determining the software version installed on the switch panel.